Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the trailer has 12V at the plug. Use a multimeter or trailer tester to avoid guessing. Once done, disconnect power and check fuses and the 7-pin connector for corrosion or bent pins. Make sure you have basic tools, wire strippers, screwdrivers, a 3/8 wrench, and spare bulbs or LEDs. Now access the light cluster. Remove the lens cover and expose sockets so you can perform the next electrical tests without delay. You should test each socket voltage while a helper activates turn signals, brakes, and running lights to identify which circuit fails. Once identified, trace the wiring from the lamp back along the frame. Look for chafed insulation, pinch sections, or bad splices that cause intermittent faults. If a bulb is dark, swap it with a known good unit. If wiring is damaged, cut back to clean wire, crimp on a butt connector, then apply heat shrink for a sealed joint. Make sure continuity and voltage readings return to normal. You finish by reassembling the light housing, tightening screws and fasteners so assemblies don't vibrate loose. Once sealed with dielectric grease and heat shrink or waterproof tape, reconnect power and perform a full roadside test. Check brake, turn, and tail operation on both sides while someone observes. If everything works, you're done. If lights are intermittent, key troubleshooting. Recheck the ground connection at the trailer frame and trailer-to-vehicle plug for corrosion or loose pins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.